Yes, look at this question. This is question number 2 of WAHEC 2023. So let's see. In a football match, the tickets for children and adults were sold at this amount and this amount respectively. So for children we have this amount, and for the adults we have this amount. If 400 people attended the football match and 1,700 of this amount was collected in ticket sales, how much tickets were sold to adults? Mr. Kunso sold 250 tickets. So we have all these questions, and with this instruction, let's see how we can attend to this question. To me, I see a simultaneous equation because over the time, word problem in simultaneous equation comes in this way. So let's see how we can attend to this question. Solution now. Let's read again. In a football match, the ticket for children, so let's say children, I can say children is X and adults is Y. So, and we have, the question told us 400 people attended the football match. So both children and adults are 400. I will say X plus Y is equal to 400, which will be my equation 1. And 1,700 of this amount was sold, and we have 3 naira for children. And we have 3 for children and 5 for adults. So I can say 3 of the children plus 5 of the adults will be equal to 1,700. So this will be my equation 2. So I can use any of the simultaneous equation method, the elimination, the substitution, the grammar, any one. I can use any one. But using substitution method, I can say if from, let me just say from equation 1 now, where x can be equal to 400 minus y, then I can substitute this one here. Therefore, I will have 3 of 400 minus y plus 5y is equal to 1700. This will be 1,200 minus 3y plus 5y is equal to 1700. So I will have, this one will give me 2y is equal to 1700 minus 1200. So I'll have 2y is equal to 500. So my y is equal to 250. So the question asks us to find how much tickets were sold to adults. So I'll say 250 tickets were sold to adults. 250 tickets were sold to adults. So it is 250 in 5 places, and the other one, which will be, let's say it will be 150 in 3 places, that give us the total of 1,700. That is the question. That's the first question. And the second question said so for the second question, Mr. Sonko, naturally, it's not one person that sells tickets. So the paraventure, naturally, it's only one person that sells tickets. I've sold tickets before of a performance. So definitely they may have taken a name and given a ticket. So he had sold this ticket. So that is 250 tickets. And if 175 tickets were for adults, out of 250, when 175 were for adults, so how much sales did he make altogether? So we'll check for the adults, which is B now. Let's say B now. Sorry. For B now, adults is equal to 175. So therefore, children will be 250. That is 250 minus 175. That will be 75. So if you multiply this one by 5, will give you 875 D, and we multiply this one by 3, it will give you, this one is going to give you 225 D. That is our unit. So adding everything together, you have our D to be our D1100 according to the calculation. So this is what we have. Let me take it again. In the adult has 175. Definitely we remove 175 from the 250. The 250 that was given to him, that, or that, let me say, that is sold, the 250 that is sold, we have 75 left. So you multiply 75 by 3, that is the amount of tickets for a child. So we have 225, and by 5 for one adult, so we have this. Adding the two together, 5 plus 5, 0. This is 9 plus 1, 10. This is 8 and 2. That's 10 plus 1, 11. So that gives us have our 1,100, and that's why we have 1,100. That's all for this question. Look at this question. It's also 8 marks. So